Hi class, my name is Barry and I was to handle the new climate land from the book The Water Will Come by Jeff Caudill. Talking about the new climate land, it basically talks about glacier, Greenland, Antarctic, the Arctic Circle and everything. So to start it off, we get a scientist by the name Box who introduces us to glacier on the west coast of Greenland, which is the fast moving glacier on Earth. And he says it's moving so fast and very unpredictable, but very symbolic to the changes in the world today. He made a prediction that Greenland would experience a record-breaking ice melt in the year 2012. And during the summer of the year 2012, a heat wave warmed the Arctic much more than climate models would predict. Being a scientist, his main goal was to test some of the unorthodox ideas about why Greenland was suddenly melting, and he believed that this might be related to the darkening of the snow caused by soot drifting from down onto the ice sheet from coal-fired power plants in China and the wildfires in the American West and northern Canada, as well as by dark-colored algae and bacteria growing on the surface of the ice sheet. So, what really matters is what happens on the two blocks of ice at either the end of the Earth. Right now, melting from Greenland contributes roughly twice as much to current sea rise at the Antarctic. So that begs the question, what makes ice on Greenland melt fast? These are some of the key items I identified. We have warm air temperatures, the amount of moisture in the air, the speed and direction of the winds, cloudiness of the skies, how much surface of the ice has been darkened by soot or organisms like bacteria and algae. But in Antarctica, scientists are more concerned about warming ocean, water melting glacier from below, and destabilizing the entire ice sheet. That is what they call marine temperature glacier. But the interesting bit in this chapter that I read was that melting of Greenland will have a bigger impact in the southern latitude. In both Greenland and Antarctica, the ice sheet melt and the mass will get smaller, which contributes to gravitational pull on the water around. So coming to a conclusion, globally the thermal expansion of the ocean caused by the Earth's rising temperature has contributed about half of the observed sea level rise in the last 50 years. In the future, that percentage will decline as the thermal expansion is dwarfed by increasing melt rates in Greenland and Antarctica. The most surreal consequence of melting ice and the rising sea is that together they are a kind of time machine, so real that they are altering the length of our days. Thank you.